So now it's 2 a.m. Everybody else is in bed. And we're out here having fun. And Rotenberger WMA got a huge fire tearing across the prairie, sizzling and burning. Very, very loud out here. And this whole strip of fires has been coming across. It looks like it's about 3 or 4 miles wide. We know we're not setting up the tent on this particular levee until the fire goes by. And we're being very careful to make sure that that fire doesn't get anywhere near my truck. Make sure that we have a clear route to get ourselves out of here. But we're going to go a little bit closer. Alright, this is awesome. We're getting closer, but not close enough. It's a little bit wet down here in between us. We can't really get all the way over to the fire yet. We'll try to circle around in a bit. We're hoping this leading edge might actually get on down to where we're at so that we can actually get nice and close. And we're still waiting because we're on the top of a levee. We're waiting to see if all of the snakes and critters that are out there in the swamp start trying to get out of the way of the fire and start getting up here. Again, my truck hasn't exploded yet, but once the fire gets a little bit closer to us, we'll keep on sneaking up and down the levee and see what we can see.
Interestingly enough, the mosquitoes have picked up as the fire's gotten closer, but it's still probably what, 68 right now? It's not hot yet. Not even near feeling the effects of the heat at all. Ladies and gentlemen, it's snowing in Florida. What you're seeing is actually all of the ash. Wow. It's a wall of fire.
3 a.m. This is the closest we've been able to get, primarily because there's so much swamp and wet land in between us, so we haven't been able to get right up on it. Hundreds and hundreds of acres have burned already. All probably because some careless butthead threw a cigarette butt out the window. We found the origins of the fire earlier where we were planning on camping. And it has just spread north, coming across. It still goes as far as we can see. Think of the millions and millions of little creatures that have been killed by this. But it sure is pretty.
Picking up over there again too. How far would you say we are away from it? Maybe 50 yards? 60 yards?
40 or 50 now.
Yeah, I'm still chilled by the cold air blowing in behind us.